viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, in the last video we have discussed about TokenPocket Wallet, and in last video I gave information how to download, how to install and how to create account in TokenPocket Wallet. So yes, today we are going to find the wallet ID of Ethereum in our TokenPocket Wallet. You know, in last video I have gave to information how to download, how to install and how to create accounts. So if you have not watched my last video, so please go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. So in this video, giving to complete information, find the private key or public key. If you need to deposit on your account, you must watch this video till end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So yes, we are going to open our TokenPocket Wallet because today we are going to find the Ethereum wallet ID. If you need to deposit, just enter your password here. When you're going to log in your wallet, just simple click on unlock. You can see here there is shown the unlock. After open the unlock your wallet, so there's two options available where you can easily find your wallet ID of Ethereum. The first option is that click on assets, and you can see here there is shown the ETH. Simple click on it, and there's not shown any wallet address. So how can you find? You can see here there's two buttons available, send and receive. If you need to deposit on your wallet, so you can use this option, receive. Then there's shown your wallet ID, and let's suppose you find your wallet ID and you do not need to open your wallet. You just all information write in your notepad file. Like me, going to copy the wallet address, open the notepad file and simple write here TokenPocket ETH wallet address. Now paste here. Okay, before going to save this file, you must cross check you have saved your wallet address correctly or not. If you make any mistake on this, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. And also keep in your mind, before going to deposit on this wallet, you must select the ERC20 network. You can see here they are shown the in red tab, deposit Ether ERC20 only. So if you going to select wrong network, so you will never receive money on your wallet. And next is that you can see here there is also shown the QR code. If you want to get same information, same wallet ID in your mobile, so you just simple download the application of QR code scanner, and after that you just simple click on this QR code. Then you will get accurate your wallet address in your mobile, and you can easily send to any person who want to send the money. Okay, the first option is that where you find the wallet ID, and second option is simple is that when you open your wallet or log in your wallet, so front of you can see here, see the second option is shown here, receive. Simple click on it, receive. Then the same information will be open front of you, and you can easily copy your wallet ID. But again, before going to deposit any amount on this wallet, you must cross check you have select correct network ERC20, otherwise your fund will be lost, viewers. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you find the wallet ID if you need to deposit and save your token for long term. But also keep in your mind, you must save your backup of your this wallet, otherwise when you want to recover your wallet, restore your wallet, so you have not information is correctly. Okay, So if you face any problems, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@the rate of gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I will read your comments and I hope you resolve your problem. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.